Imagine spending a single night in a hotel suite that costs more than a brand new Lamborghini. Nestled in the heart of Tokyo, this ultra-luxurious retreat offers jaw-dropping skyline views, a private infinity pool, and gold leaf bathtubs fit for royalty. With Michelin-star dining, a personal butler, and VIP access to the city's most exclusive experiences. This isn't just a stay, it's a once-in-a-lifetime indulgence. Every inch of this suite screams opulence, from handcrafted furniture to a private rooftop garden that feels like paradise in the sky. But what truly makes this hotel worth its mind-blowing price? Let's step inside and uncover the secrets of Tokyo's most extravagant stay. 1. A night of pure extravagance. The cost of staying in this ultra-luxury Tokyo hotel suite can exceed $100,000 per night, more than the price of a Lamborghini. Every inch of the space is designed to cater to the world's elite, from royalty to billionaires, ensuring an experience unlike any other. The suite spans thousands of square feet, making it larger than most Tokyo apartments. Exclusive security measures, including biometric access, ensure complete privacy and protection. Every guest receives a personalized welcome package featuring rare Japanese whiskey, designer gifts, and handcrafted chocolates. 2. Jaw-dropping city views. The suite offers unparalleled panoramic views of Tokyo's skyline, including the iconic Tokyo Tower, Mount Fuji on clear days, and the dazzling lights of Shibuya. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide a breathtaking backdrop, making guests feel like they're floating above the city. At night, the skyline sparkles with neon lights, creating a surreal, almost futuristic atmosphere. Advanced smart glass technology allows guests to adjust the tint of the windows for privacy or mood lighting. A telescope is provided to enjoy detailed views of landmarks, planes landing at Haneda Airport, or even fireworks over the Sumida River. 3. Personalized butler and concierge service. Guests enjoy 24/7 access to a team of highly trained butlers and concierges who cater to their every need. Whether it's securing a last-minute reservation at Tokyo's most exclusive restaurants or arranging a private helicopter tour, nothing is out of reach. The butlers are trained in multiple languages, including English, Japanese, Mandarin, and French, ensuring seamless communication. Need a personal stylist? A high-end fashion consultant can be brought in for wardrobe selections. If guests wish to explore the city, they can do so with a private guide who has insider access to Tokyo's hidden gems. 4. Gold leaf bathtub and marble spa. Luxury knows no limits with a handcrafted gold leaf bathtub that allows guests to soak in pure opulence. The suite also features an in-room spa, complete with heated marble floors, a steam room, and personalized aromatherapy treatments. The gold bathtub is designed by renowned Japanese artisans and takes months to craft. The water used for baths can be infused with real sake, cherry blossom petals, or even 24-karat gold flakes for an ultra-indulgent experience. Custom-built massage tables are available, where world-class therapists provide treatments tailored to the guest's preferences. The suite also features a cryotherapy chamber and a red light therapy room for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. 5. Michelin-star dining at your fingertips. The hotel provides in-room dining crafted by Michelin-star chefs, offering guests an exclusive culinary experience. Whether it's a world-class sushi master preparing omakase in the suite or a private tasting menu curated to your preferences, the food is nothing short of spectacular. Guests can enjoy a 10-course kaiseki meal featuring the rarest ingredients, such as a 5 Wagyu beef, white truffle, and bluefin tuna. The suite includes a wine cellar stocked with some of the world's most expensive bottles, including rare Japanese sake and Dom Perignon vintages. A personal mixologist is available to craft bespoke cocktails, tailored to the guest's taste. Those who love desserts can have an exclusive pastry chef create custom sweets, from matcha-infused delicacies to gold-dusted chocolates. 6. Handcrafted furniture and art pieces. Every piece of furniture in the suite is a custom-designed work of art, featuring rare woods, silk embroidery, and handcrafted lacquer finishes. The walls are adorned with priceless Japanese artworks and sculptures, blending modern luxury with traditional elegance. Some furniture pieces are one-of-a-kind creations made by Japan's most skilled artisans, incorporating centuries-old craftsmanship. The suite includes an antique calligraphy scroll written by a famous Edo period poet, adding to its historical charm. Every fabric used, from curtains to upholstery, is sourced from high-end Japanese textile houses, ensuring a luxurious yet culturally rich aesthetic. 7. Private rooftop garden and infinity pool. The suite includes a stunning private rooftop garden inspired by Zen aesthetics, creating a peaceful oasis high above Tokyo. Guests can also enjoy an infinity pool overlooking the city, providing a truly one-of-a-kind swimming experience. The garden is meticulously landscaped with bonsai trees, exotic orchids, and a koi pond that adds to the serenity. A private tea house within the garden offers guests the opportunity to experience an authentic Japanese tea ceremony. The infinity pool is temperature-controlled, allowing guests to swim in comfort no matter the season. 8. Exclusive access to VIP events and shopping. Guests receive VIP access to Tokyo's most prestigious events, from fashion shows to private art gallery unveilings. Personal shopping assistants can arrange after-hours access to luxury boutiques like Channel, Louis Vuitton, and rare Japanese designer brands. Some guests have been given early access to limited edition releases from brands like Rolex and Supreme, ensuring they own something truly exclusive. A personal kimono designer can create a bespoke, handcrafted kimono using centuries-old silk weaving techniques. 9. State-of-the-art entertainment room. The suite features a private home theater with a massive 8K screen, the latest gaming consoles, and an advanced sound system. For music lovers, a grand piano or a private DJ setup can be arranged for an intimate performance. The soundproof walls ensure that guests can enjoy movies or music at any volume without disturbing others. A dedicated projectionist is available to curate a personalized film festival, screening classic Japanese cinema or Hollywood blockbusters. Guests can even participate in a live VR experience, exploring Tokyo's historical sites or engaging in an exclusive digital art exhibition. 10. Arrival in ultimate style. Guests don't just arrive at the hotel, they make an entrance. A chauffeured Rolls-Royce or a private helicopter transfer ensures the journey is as extravagant as the stay. If arriving from abroad, a private jet charter service is available, ensuring a seamless, stress-free journey. Guests can be greeted at the airport by a personal assistant who handles all customs and luggage arrangements. Upon arrival, they are welcomed with a ceremonial sake toast and a rare floral arrangement made from hand-picked Japanese blooms. From gold-covered bathtubs to Michelin-star dining and breathtaking skyline views, this Tokyo hotel redefines luxury in every possible way. With a price tag higher than a Lamborghini, it's a dream reserved for the ultra-elite. But if you have the chance, would you spend a night here or buy the supercar instead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping destinations and experiences.